Hello friends, welcome to our channel GPAT Preparation Guide. Today we are going to see the chapter from Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence which is known as Drugs and Magic Remedies Act 1954 and Rules 1955. This act is also known as Objectionable Advertisement Act. We will study this chapter in two parts. In first part we will see about introduction and objective and definitions in this chapter. And in second part we will see about classes of prohibited advertisement, classes of exempted advertisement, offenses and penalties. So the objective of this act is to control certain type of advertisement relating to drug, to prohibit advertisements relating to magic remedies which falsely claim and mislead public, to provide for matters related therewith. So basically what is this act made for? The to control a certain type of advertisement means what the advertisements which are misleading public for use of certain medicine can cure certain disease or disorder, or using the of kavach, talisman, mantra, etc. can cure your disease. To avoid certain kinds of disease advertisements, this act is made by our government to avoid misleading of the public through the wrong advertisements. So now we will see the definitions which come under this act. So this act is basically around advertisements and misleading of the people through the advertisement. So the first definition which we are going to see is advertisement. So what is advertisement? Advertisement is a publishing or providing circulating information about our product through public. So how can we advertise our product throughout the peoples? Form any notice, circular, label, wrapper or document. Any announcement made orally or by means of producing or transmitting light, sounds or smoke. So basically what is content of this definition is types of advertisement. All types of advertisements are organized together to form a definition for the advertisement. So advertisement is any notice, circular, label, wrapper or document, any announcement made orally or by means of producing or transmitting light or sound is known as advertisement. So the next definition is magic remedies. The definition of magic remedies includes talisman, mantra, kavacha or charm for diagnosis, treatment and prevention of any disease in human or animal, for affecting the structure of organic function of human body or animal. So basically the meaning of the magic remedy is mentioned in its name itself. Magic remedies means magical treatment for any disease or disorder. So talisman, mantra, kavacha or charms which are said by the peoples, so use this talisman then your disorder will be cured. So or say this mantra 3 times or 100 times in a day, so you will feel good, this disorder will be cured. So all this comes under the magic remedies. So it includes talisman, mantra, kavacha or charms for the diagnosis, treatment or prevention of any disease in human or animal, or affecting the structure or organic function of the human body or animal. So our next definition is registered medical practitioner. So who is registered medical practitioner? There is a definition for the registered medical practitioner. So the definition is who holds a qualification granted by an authority under Section 3 of Indian Medical Degree Act 1916, who is entitled to be registered as a medical practitioner under any law for the time being in force in any state to which this act extends. So the medical practitioner is a person who is qualified under the authority under Section 3 of Indian Medical Degree Act 1916, or according to the any state laws which entitled a person as a medical practitioner under the states which are extended throughout this act. So that person is known as the registered medical practitioner. Now we will move to our last definition from this chapter, that is drug. The definition of drug is mentioned in each chapter from pharmaceutical jurisprudence. The definition of drug means a medicine for internal or external use, or a substance intended for diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of disease in human or animal. An article other than food which affects the structure of organic function, an article used as component of any medicine. So basically what drug is? A drug is a substance which is used internally or externally for the intent of diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of disease in human or animal, or an article other than food which affects the structure of organic function, an article used as an component of any medicine. So this is the definition of drug. This is asked mostly in the pharmaceutical jurisprudence paper. So you can remember any one definition from any chapter to write in the paper. So the basic things which are needed for this definition is a substance intended for diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of a disease in human or animal. So remember this definition properly to write it down in the paper. So this much is for this video. We will now see another points in the next video, that is prohibited or exempted advertisements. Or that's it for today's video. If you like our video, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel, and share with all your friends who are preparing for the pharmacy exams as well as the GPAT exams. Thank you.